Is maintaining a clean workstation important as it pertains to CNC machine setup or machine operation? Is it important for your career or brand? Yes, 100%. But how important is it really? And why exactly does it matter? G3CNC says that it's one of the easiest and most impactful ways to improve job performance in the near term. As some would call it, low-hanging fruit ripe for the picking. As it turns out, maintaining a clean workstation sends powerful messages to your manager. Number 1. You can trust me with more responsibility. Number 2. I respect the opportunity I've been given. Number 3. I take my work seriously. It also sends a message to your coworkers that says, I'm organized and dependable. Whether we like it or not, these are facts of human nature. It's quite easy to accomplish, but it requires daily discipline in the following: keeping your machine or machines and the floor around them clean, wiping down all work surfaces, putting away unused tools and keeping them organized. If there isn't a system for maintaining organization, make one. Remove unnecessary junk and clutter. Store your gauges in organizers or trays. Keep cleaning supplies close by to quickly clean up messes as they occur. By the way, this isn't just about appearances, although that's part of it. It's about creating a workspace that supports accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. Maintaining a clean and organized workstation is one of the fastest ways to accelerate your career. It helps you perform better, reduces mistakes, and even improves morale. When your environment is clean, your confidence and focus rise. And that energy is contagious. It sets a standard for the whole team. Success in CNC setup and operation is multifaceted and starts with discipline. And discipline starts with a clean workstation.